and welcome to my pouring video. Today I'm going to do a ring pour on a black canvas, black background. It's a white canvas with a black background. As you can see, I've spilt some of the paint already. It's not a very good start. I'm using Pebeo. All the paints are Pebeo. I'm using Pebeo pouring medium. The ratio I've used is 1 part paint, 3 parts pouring medium, 1 part water. I'm using black, gold, bronze and silver. So first off, I'm going to start off by just putting some black base down. Right, so let's layer the paint in the cup. So we'll start off with a little layer of gold, some silver, and some bronze. I really do like these metallic Pebeo paints. I'm a big fan of Pebeo, as you can see from my other videos. Out of order then, not concentrating. And I'm not using any silicone in these paints. Okay, let's start off. Wow. Let's just let this spread out naturally. A little bit. Got some very nice rings there. I'm just gently going to tilt this. I like the sort of like fiery edges there. I can hear you all screaming at me, you haven't got gloves on. No, I haven't. I've actually run out of the latex gloves that I normally wear. Right, what I'm going to do now is place that down. Just going to wipe my hands with a little bit of tissue. Now I'm just going to gently blow the edges. To soften those edges. Hope you're not getting too much reflection off the back of my head there. Oh, I really like the way these are sort of smoky type edges there. Right, I don't want to do too much more to this at the moment. I'm going to let it settle down a little bit and just tidy up the edges. Okay, I'm very pleased with this overall. The video doesn't really show up the subtleties of the colour, and it distorts the colour, but there's really distinct rings. It's absolutely gorgeous against the black with the contrast. I love the little smoky edges and the rings. Very pleased with this. This is my first all metallic pour. There's a lot of gold contrasting with the bronze and silver. Unfortunately, I've got this little black spot which I'm not very pleased with. I might do something about this. Okay, I've blown out that little black spot. I think that's much better. I much prefer it like that.